this is the Tabrida switchgear, Capital House Hotel, 5 feeder configuration, ring in ring out in the end and transformer feeders in the between. We'll see the operations of one breaker. The earth switch, as you can see, is in the connected position. You can see the same position of earthing switch down. It is clearly visible. I just zoom in. The earth switch is on. Now to rack in the breaker, as you can see, now the condition of the breaker is green, which is it is in test condition. So now the first thing is the earth switch will be put in off condition. So the earthing switch will now be put off. Now two things happen. One is the earth switch is obviously now off, can be clearly seen, and also if you go up, you will see that the earth switch is now in off condition. Now we will put the drought unit inside the breaker. As you can see, the drought position of the breaker is indicated here. It is green, it is in test condition, and the same can be seen here. Now the breaker will be racked in. So you can see the status of the indication as the rollers. It is now in the intermediate condition, and finally it will turn red in the service condition. So now the breaker is ready to be put on and off. The drought condition is also, the drought unit is also clearly shown here. It has turned red. Okay, and now the breaker is in service condition, ready to be closed and open. We'll first close the breaker. Just give a close command and you see the VCB position is in closed condition. What we would also like to see is whether OCO operation can be carried out immediately. So we'll try and see the OCO operation. Open, close, open. The same can be seen. The control module takes around 5 to 7 seconds. It's again turned green, ready for next open, close, open operations. We will check the interlocks. At this moment of time, the breaker is in test position, the earthing switch is on. In such a condition, you should not be able to rack in the breaker. So we will try and push in the breaker, and as you can see, it is not possible to do that. In order to do that, first we will have to bring the breaker to, we will have to close the earth switch. Okay. We'll have to open the earth switch rather. So the earth switch is now disconnected from earth, and now the earth switch is disconnected, as you can see here as well, and now you will be able to rack in the breaker. So this is the first interlock that should be present, and as you can now see, the breaker is now changing its condition. It's going in, it is an intermediate condition, and as soon as it turns red, it's in service condition. Okay, now the earth switch is off, the VCB is in off condition, but the drought unit clearly shows that it is in service. The control module is ready to take open and close commands. Now we'll close the breaker. Now in this closed condition of the breaker, it should not be possible to put the earth switch on. Okay. You are not able to even get the access to the earth switch compartment. Okay. Now we will get the trolley out. It is in test condition. We will now have to take the breaker out in the complete drought condition. Breaker trolley is given for the same purpose. You can Since the breaker is in test condition, you can bring it out. You have to first remove the low voltage plug. Okay. Breaker is fixed. So a single man can easily take the breaker outside, and now we can put it outside. The breaker is now completely in drought condition. The vacuum bottles are completely insulated. As you can see, the bus bars everywhere are insulated. The magnetic actuator is behind. You can always also see the compartment, the circuit breaker compartment with shutters. Okay. Now, in order to access the shutter, one can have a padlocking of the shutters, wherein here this is the padlock which is being provided, padlocking arrangement, so that nobody by accident. Now, if you want to access the cable side, one can do that. One can defeat the interlock. Both the rollers are to be pushed together, and now you can access it. And as you can see, there is an arrangement to padlock the same as well. Just if you press it once, this will be coming back again to its original condition. Similar is possible for the bus bar side of the compartment. Similarly, you have a padlocking arrangement, and as soon as you press it out, even that can be defeated. Breaker is being put back in. The LV plug has to be put back.